Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Apple Grain Tutorial. So for today's video is mag-unboxing po ako sa aking package from Gcash. So ito na guys, na-receive ko na po yung package ko from Gcash kasi nag-a-apply po ako ng GCASH Mastercard. So ito po guys is nag-apply po ako noong November 21. Then, through online. And then, nagbayad po ako via Gcash app at the same date, November 21. And then, November 24, nakatanggap po ako ng message from Gcash that they receive my order card form. So, bubuksan ko na po ito. So, ayan, ito po yung itsura ng package nila. So, ayan. Ito na po, guys. So, ayan. Ito po. May nakalagay na pangalan ko at saka address. So, 150 lang po yung card nila. And then, plus 65 na shipping fee. So, 250 nang nabayaran ko lahat. Actually, 10 working days sana ito. Pero, dumating ng hindi pa 10 days. So, ilang process lang. 7 days. So, hindi umabot ng 10 days. And then, take note guys, huwag niyo pong i-share kahit kanino yung MPIN at saka yung OTP number ninyo. So, ayan guys. Ito po yung ayan. So, ayan. So, ito na po guys. So, mag-i-expired po ito until 2025. So, ayan guys. This, lagyan nyo po ng signature. Ayan. So, banknet po siya. Pwede po ito sa iba't ibang ATM machines. Basta yung may banknet lang po. Over 20,000 Mastercard partners nationwide. You can withdraw anytime, send money for free, shop online, ayan. Swipe to shop and dine. So, ayan po guys, ito po ang steps on how to activate your GCash Mastercard by following these simple steps below. So, ayan. Number 1 is verifying your GCash account and cashing in. So, ayan, ito na po. And app. Ayan, may 4 steps po tayo. And so, ayan, step 2 is linking your GCash Mastercard and app linking. So, ayan, may 3 steps po tayo andyan. So, ayan guys. Ito po yung mga cash in at our partner outlets. So, yan po yung mga partners nila na pwede kayong mag-cash in. Very useful po talaga ito, yung GCash Mastercards, para anytime makapag-withdraw po kayo ng money ninyo inside your GCash kung malapit lang kayo sa mga ATM machines. For my next video is tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano mag-order through online. So see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for you to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. God bless.